is your boy, Debaque here, with a lot more energy because a couple of days ago I was a little bit sick. Yeah, I've gotten a lot better now. And we're going to be checking out the game Enter the Gungeon here. I'm going to be doing a playlist of this in Stardew Valley, and maybe coming back to Battlegrounds if I can finally figure out how to get its resolution and things up. But until then, I will not be covering that anymore. So let's get into it, guys, and let's see what goes on. Alright, from here we can choose the Marine, the Pilot, the Convict, or the Hunter. Going with the Hunter, because I really like the Hunter. Actually, I really don't know how to play this game. Well, barely know how to play it anyway. So we're going to go down to the tutorial, and we're going to check out this game. I've only seen playthroughs of the game, I've never played it myself, just got it a little bit ago. Alrighty. E to speak, blah blah blah, I already know what you're going to say. Onward to greatness. Flip over tables. Screw all of the tables. Break everything. Even that barrel. And this barrel too. Alrighty. This is the most important lesson. Dodge roll by right clicking. Invulnerable while you can dodge roll. Blah blah blah. I am ready. Hut. No. Hut. Hut. Oh, we made it, sweet. Now we just pull Legend of Zelda. That didn't happen. Alright. And we just did it again. Alrighty then. Let's stop just doing that. Alright, there we go. And on to the next one. Oh, can't go. We gotta talk to that dude. And these are called links. Using one will delete all. Yep. One link. Two link. Ah, that was easy. Gotta go back and talk to him. Keep forgetting about that. And we got a gun. It is the pea shooter, right? Yeah, the pea shooter. Kill it. Alright. Easy enough. Alrighty. Oh, it has some real ammo there. Alright, nice. That's a nice one. This gun's pretty fun. Alright, I did find out about another game that I've been enjoying so far. It's called Dirty Bomb. And I think a lot of people know about it, but I'm not. I'm just like one of those people that didn't really know about it. I was on the Destiny 2 hype train all this time. And speaking of Destiny 2, I will be covering that. I definitely will be covering that. As much as whenever I can. So now we gotta. That was the dumbest thing I could have done. That was literally the dumbest thing I could have done. You can't get dumber than that. Map. Need map. Where map? Map. Where map? Alright. Oh. Alright, makes sense. What with that? Okay. Okay. pretty fun. And I will be checking out those other games just in a little bit. You can be looking forward to Dirty Bomb in a little bit. Right after this game, once I get done editing and recording all of this, I'm going to be heading into Dirty Bomb, seeing if I can record that, because it's a really fun game. So we're going to head into the boss battle here. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Wow, I have really bad aim. Alright. I'm going to be spicing up my titles and just things. Yep, ceasefire, ceasefire. Yeah. Finish him. Alright. On to the actual game. That's it with the tutorial. Now we get to go into the... Let's go. We are entering the Gungeon. Ooh, fun. Like I said, I was gonna do Dirty Bomb right after this, and don't worry, I will be getting that Destiny 2 in. That'll be one of the main games I'm gonna be getting in whenever I finally get that my Elgato Gaming. I'll definitely be getting that in. I'm flying up. Don't crossbow out here. Alright. Oh, I have terrible aim. Okay. We got a gun key. Those two are dead. Good stuff, good stuff. Alrighty, so little baby bullet. Bang, 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 bang. Man, Deadpool. Alright. Doot. Doot. See you both in hell. That's oh. Alrighty then. Let's see where else we can go. This way, this way. Ah, a blank. Sweet. Alright, so we've not been here yet. Got it. Sweet. game is actually really fun. No, you don't. Come back here. Come back here. Come back here. Great. Alright, let's go to the next thing. Oh, sweet, found the boss already. I am going to die, aren't I? Oh, I am definitely going to die, aren't I? Why does a bird have a gun? Who gave that bird a gun? Heavy, is that you? What? What? Alrighty then. I have no idea what's going on. Thought I'd be pretty good at this game since I played Binding of Isaac. Apparently I'm going to be wrong here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, definitely wrong here. Ooh, okay. Nope. Ah! We are dead. We are dead. Wow. Alrighty guys, well I guess that's just gonna do it for part 1 of Enter the Gungeon. Wow, I'm kinda astonished there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to comment below, give me some feedback on how I'm doing. And without further ado, that's been all guys. I will see you in the next one.